Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add a bank account in Google AdSense for payments. First, log into your Google AdSense account using your Google credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the AdSense dashboard. Next, navigate to the Payments section from the left-hand menu. Then, click on Manage Payment Methods. Here, you can view and add your bank account details. Click on the Add Payment Method button to proceed. A form will appear where you need to enter your bank details. Fill out the form carefully. Enter your account holder name, bank account number, and the SWIFT code or routing number provided by your bank. Make sure all the information is accurate. If you're unsure about the SWIFT code, contact your bank for assistance. If you want this account to be your default payment method, check the box labeled Set as Primary Payment Method. Once everything is done, click the Save button. After saving, Google will verify your bank account by depositing a small test amount. This process usually takes a few days. Once you receive the deposit, log back into your AdSense account to confirm the amount and complete the verification process. And that's it. You've successfully added a bank account to Google AdSense. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.